Okay, welcome back. You downloaded your activity sheet, and let me show you how easy it is to fill it in. So you have these columns: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronouns, coordinated conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. So when I ask you to write 5 nouns, there's no thinking involved. All you have to do is look around. So I'm looking around this classroom and I'm saying chair. Chair is a noun because I can see it, I can touch it. Dog, pen, plate, car. I'm done. That's it. That's it. Very simple. I don't have to decide if it's a person, a place, or a thing. Is it a counting noun, an abstract noun? If I can touch it, I can see it, it's a noun. I can see a dog. I can smell a dog if I want. The pen, I can touch it. I can smell it. I can see it. So that's how you identify nouns. So you're going to write in just by looking around. I don't want you thinking about them. Just see them. If they follow in the senses, you write them down. A verb, anything that shows action, anything you're doing. Run, bark, cry. That's it. Anything that shows action, you're going to fill that in. An adjective, we talked about it. We identified it as size and color. So just write down sizes: big, tiny, green, blue, and as you know, there's many, many, many adjectives. Adverbs. Ask yourself, how is the action done? So go to your section on verbs. How did he run? Quickly. Ly. He barked. How did he bark? Loudly. She cried. How did she cry? Softly, loudly. You just filled in your worksheet for adjectives, adverbs, verbs, and nouns. You're going to use these to make simple sentences as we move through to the next lesson, okay? So you're done. This is it. This is how simple this system is. It's an unbelievable writing system that's been tested by thousands of students, and they're very successful with it, and you will be too. Let's move on. A pronoun. So if Mike is the person, because I can see him, I can touch him, but I don't want to keep saying Mike went to the store, Mike drove the car. I can just say he or him. That's the pronoun. The coordinated conjunctions, you already know them, you just have to memorize them. And, or, nor, for, yet, so, and but. You just memorize these. Prepositions. Think of the sentence that you're saying and then where's the location? So if I say the dog is in the house, well, in came before the location, which is the house, so in is a preposition. The dog ran over the wood. Over. The cat is in the drawer. Those are prepositions. You can look up many, many prepositions on Google if you like and fill them in, and they'll work just as well. And then you have your interjections. Remember, an interjection has an exclamation point, always. Very simple. Shows strong emotion or feeling. So if I say, wow, this word is just wow. But if I put an exclamation on it, it's wow. If I say stop, without an exclamation point, I would just say stop. But if I told the reader with an exclamation point, that tells me strong emotion or feeling, that's stop. Think of your mom when she calls your name. Say Mike when she wants you to stop something, or when she calls you softly, she'll say Mike, there's no concern. But when she wants to let you know that there's strong emotion or feeling involved, there's an exclamation point and she says Mike, and that makes you take notice. That's basically what you're going to do. Fill these in. You're going to download 5 of these, and then each day you're going to fill them in. You can use the same ones if you like. Just copy these onto the next one. You have to get this into long-term memory, because from here we're going to build sentences. Let me show you how easy it is. To make a simple sentence, remember there's only 4 sentences in the English language. To make a simple sentence, all you do is combine a noun and a verb, and you have a simple sentence. To make a compound sentence, you take 2 simple sentences, connect them with one of these, any one of these, and you have a compound sentence. You've just learned 2 of the sentences before we even started that lesson. Okay? I'll see you in the next lesson as we move on to write sentences.